Text boxes are often used to design the pages in your document. What you may not know is that you can flow text from one text box to another. In this quick tip, I show you how. When I need to design a certain look in my documents, I'll often turn to text boxes because they can be very handy in placing text in a specific location. In most instances, a text box is created to contain a very small amount of information. However, you may want to use text boxes a bit differently. Notice that on the screen, I have text at the top of this page, and in the middle, I have two text boxes side by side. I'm going to type some text in the first text box. It doesn't really matter what I put in here. It could be a set of instructions or even a pull quote from the main text of the document. The idea, though, is to enter enough text that it is too much to fit within the first text box. If I want this text to flow from the first text box into the second text box, all I need to do is make sure that the second text box is empty. With the non-printing characters visible, it is relatively easy to tell if the second text box is empty. However, if non-printing characters are turned off, then you could have some spaces or a tab character over here and not be able to really tell. Once you are sure that the text box is empty, place the insertion point in the first text box and display the Shape Format tab of the ribbon. That's the one that's right over here. Now go ahead and click the Create Link tool right down here within the text group. When you do, notice that your mouse pointer changes to like a little measuring cup with a down arrow in it. All you need to do is to click the mouse pointer in the second text box. At this point, notice when I move it into the second text box, the mouse pointer changes again, and now it looks like it's pouring the text. When I click, then my text has flowed from the first text box into the second text box. And at this point, you're ready to go. Any edits you make in either text box will affect the other one because your text flows from one text box to the other text box. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If so, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the WordTips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.